Today I'm excited to show you our listing here in Clive. It's 1430 Northwest 108th Street. This property features 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. Let's check it out. As you enter in here on the main floor, you're welcomed by a nice foyer that we just passed through here with nice tile. And as you progress through here, you have a nice front living room. This house features also all updated vinyl windows. It's nice that you don't have original windows for this Clive property. We'll progress now to the kitchen. Great space overall. You got stainless steel appliances. You got quartz counters. You have a nice eat-in area right here. Right off the eat-in area, you have a gorgeous oversized deck here with privacy fence in the yard. Over here you have a really nice family room. You have engineered flooring right here, and then additionally you have a nice fireplace. You have nice beams. So check out the backyard here. You have this oversized deck here. You have a nice patio. Then additionally, as I mentioned before, you have privacy fenced backyard, which is great for kids and pets and just general privacy. You have a nice shed right here as well. All right, to round out the main floor, you have your half bath. All right, we'll progress now to the upstairs where there's 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. All right, right here we have bed 1. You got bed 2 right here. You got bed 3 right here. Right across from bed 2 and 3, you have your full family bathroom right here. All right, now here's the master bedroom. Great space overall. You have a 3-piece bathroom right here. You have a walk-in shower, toilet, and sink. Then to round out the master bedroom, you have a walk-in closet right here. All right, now let's progress now. We'll head down to the basement. As you go down to the basement, here's your attached garage right here. All right, here in the basement, you have a really nice living room right here. Great area to hang out, watch football games and sporting events. Off the living room right here, you have a full bathroom that also includes the laundry. What's really nice about this property is that all the appliances are included. All right, now we'll progress. Here you have a nice storage area right here. All right, now, really nice feature here is that you have a 5th bedroom. It's a really good size. You have a nice closet here. The sellers did a great job finishing this bedroom right here. So here's the garage right here. What's nice about this garage, you have some extra space here to store things. You have a nice workbench right here. You got your garage refrigerator. Then what's an additional thing that's really nice, you have a radon mitigation system. Over 70% of homes that test for radon here in the state of Iowa end up testing higher than EPA recommended levels. It's nice that this has been taken care of. If you're looking for a wonderful property here in Clive, this is it. This has 5 bedrooms, over 2,300 total finished square feet, 4 bathrooms. It's conveniently located near 235 and 35, so it makes it easy to get anywhere in the metro. Additionally, I'm a big fan of this. You're close to bike paths, which connects to all of Des Moines here. So as a result of that, you can work out, ride your bike, go on runs. This is a wonderful, beautiful area to live here in Central Iowa. In my opinion, this is a premier neighborhood. If you have any questions, please reach out.